Welcome back to Casual Fitness Secrets. Today we have a brand new workout that will get your heart pumping and your muscles toned. During this workout, we'll be doing 3 circuits with 4 exercises been done doing each one. Circuits 1 and 3 are done using dumbbells, while circuit 2 is done only using your body weight. Now, during each circuit, all exercises are done for 10 reps. We will be doing all 3 circuits a total of 3 times each, with 30 seconds rest after circuits 1 and 2, and 1 minute rest after circuit 3. Like with all our previous workouts, this workout is fully customizable. You can increase the weight or decrease it. You can add more reps, or you can make the rounds a little bit longer. Entirely up to you. So make sure you stretch, drink lots of water, and bring plenty of motivation. This is our upper body dumbbell workout at home. Circuit 1, tricep kickbacks. With the dumbbells in each hand, start with arms bent at 90 degrees and palms facing each other. Stand with a straight bend in your knees. Keep your core engaged and lean slightly forward. Try not to arch or round out your back. Keep arms close to your body, straighten arms to push the weight back, and slightly pause. Do not flare elbows or move upper arms to avoid swinging. Bicep curl. With palms facing forward and arms straight down, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and with a slight bend in the knees. While bracing your core, lift the dumbbells up towards your shoulders. Once at the top, slightly pause and then lower your arms slowly to the starting position. The Arnold press. With 2 dumbbells, hold them at 90 degrees in front of you. In one action, press the dumbbells overhead with palms facing away from you. Return to starting position and control the weight. Overhand curl. Hold dumbbells in each hand at your sides with palms facing toward your thighs. With feet shoulder width apart, keep a slight bend in your knees and brace your core. Lift dumbbells toward the shoulders so that the palms are now facing forward. Lower the dumbbells to start position and repeat. Exhale while lifting weights and inhale while lowering. Circuit 2, the pulse push-up. Get down in a push-up position or high plank. With your abs contracted, jump with the feet together to the right, back to the start position, then jump to left, then back to the start position, then perform 1 push-up, and that's 1 rep. Inchworm. Stand with your feet close together. Bend over and place your hands near your feet. Start walking forward with your hands while keeping your legs as straight as possible and core tight. Stop when you're in a high plank or push-up position. Now, start walking backwards with small steps with your hands and stop at your feet and then stand up. Floor dips. Knees flex, legs closed with your feet flat on the floor, arms behind you, elbows slightly flexed, and fingers pointed towards your body. Now dig your heels into the ground and feet pull towards your head. Lift your body up until your arms are fully extended. Hold a second and then return back to starting position. Plank rotations. Get into a high plank position with your body in a general straight line with your abs contracted. Now rotate your body into a side plank with the opposite arm reaching towards the sky. Once here, rotate your body back into the starting position and repeat with the opposite side. The plank rotation can be done 2 ways, either slow or fast. Circuit 3, bent over row. Stand with your chest slightly bent towards your feet and have them firmly planted on the floor. Keep a slight bend in your knees and extend your arms, holding the dumbbells in each hand. Begin to roll your arms upward and tense when the dumbbells are near your ribs. Pause slightly and return to starting position. I'm a curl to press. With dumbbells in your hand and palms facing each other, curl weights to the shoulders. Once here, press dumbbells up overhead until your arms are straight. Slowly reverse to return to the start position. Hip extensions. Start with a hand over hand hold as if you are forming a diamond with the thumb and pointer finger of both hands. Lift the dumbbells up and extend arms until straight. Lower the dumbbell down behind your head while keeping your upper arm still and vertical, almost at a 90-degree angle. Reverse the motion and extend your arms again. Front raise to lateral raise. Stand in the front with your dumbbells in each hand. Slowly lift hands in front of your chest Once here, start to lower your arms back to your sides. Next, raise your arms outward. All right guys, just remember one tip on this routine. Just make sure whatever weight you're using, that you can handle it through each circuit. I use 15s. Good with 20, go ahead, but my suggestion is you start with 5 and see how that works, and then you increase the weight as you do the entire routine on a couple of different times. So guys, if you have any questions or comments, you can go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below, or you can reach out to us on one of our social media platforms that's on Instagram and Facebook. Now, if you want to get your hands on some of my merch, just go on over to casualfitnessseekers.com. Now, if you enjoyed the video, make sure that thumbs up. And if you want to miss out on the upcoming videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button floating around about right here. So guys, I'm going ahead and get me some water. I'm gonna stretch a little bit more. That was a great workout. So guys, make sure you check out the video here and the video here. And be prepared for that follow-along workout videos coming soon. Casual Fitness Seekers out.